boy ain't got no booty. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to put my intro. It is like another day from the tutorials, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this messy bun look with the wig and also with some bangs. The wig right now is like, the install of the wig is like messed up because like it's another day, but in the tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install it and how I styled it. These bangs already came with the wig. I'll have all of the wig details in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. This hair was sent to me by Evawigs. It's the same wig company that I got the blonde wig from in my, not last video, but a couple videos ago, when I did that get ready with me with the pink dress. I'll have all the details in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. If you can see it coming up on the sides, just ignore it, okay? Just ignore it. It's another day and it's looking a little crusty and I have to fix it up, but I was editing and I finished the video and realized I didn't do an intro, so here it is. So
can't explain it. Hope you hear what I'm saying. I'm loving your vibe. Won't let you play the song.
I'm gonna start off by putting a layer of Got To Be glue. For the blow dry, it looked like my wig cap is sliding back. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try adding freeze blast too, but first I'm gonna add another layer of Got To Be glue on here. Alright, I'm gonna spray some freeze blast. Hopefully this go as I think it's gonna go. Oh shit. It's falling. Blow dry it now. That's this side for now. I'm gonna do this side after this side completely dries. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the bangs that already came with this hair. Well, it already came with this wig. Kinda wanna do like longer on the sides, you know? This is no plucking or anything, y'all. I'm gonna put some makeup on it, of course. I'm about to just flat iron this. When I flat iron stuff, y'all, I literally just go through with the brush and the flat iron. This hair came so freaking straight. Like, I wish I could have just left it like that. It came super straight. Like, I've never gotten hair that straight before. This hair just came super nice. Like, I really liked it. I literally just threw it on and went about my day. When I first got it, I cut the lace off and just threw it on and it was automatically cute. Like, I didn't have to do anything to it. just because it had bangs already and stuff, and it just looks cute. It's okay because it's getting back straight, but I'm just saying it looked really good straight how it was sent to me. And then I love that this is dark hair, that it came jet black. I really like that too. This sideburn looks crusty because I had a freeze glass on top of it, which I shouldn't have did that, but it just wouldn't lay down. I mean, I might not do a bun. I kind of like how it looked like this. I'm gonna do the messy bun just because I know it's not a 360 wig or a full lace wig, and I don't want my roll hair to be showing back here. So what I'm gonna do is just like let some of the little baby hair fall down in the back like this. Let me show y'all. Let the baby hairs in the back fall down just like that. I'm gonna use some freeze glass. Rat tail comb and just brush it up like that. Okay. This is crazy. I just took a piece and just flat ironed it right now. A layer of my bang and just flat ironed it. It's the ponytail right here. And I just took some hair down from the sides. I see there's like short pieces in here. I don't know why that's like that. Now I'm gonna just continue flat ironing just pieces of the bangs. Just a little bend to it too. And then just coming out. Which low key, kind of like how the little thin bangs look. Like how this look. I don't want my bangs to be too big. Like that was never the idea, for it to be thick anyway. Curl it like that. Alright, so I'm not gonna really part the bangs out that neat, but neat enough, just like that. However thick you want your bangs to be, that's how thick you do them. So this excess right here, I'm gonna use this to wrap around my ponytail when I do the bun. I'm about to do the bun and I'm gonna fix all of this up and stuff, y'all, but I'm gonna just twirl it. And you want to stick a bobby pin in there. Me personally, I don't like when the bobby pins show. I know some people like that look, but not me. Freeze blast. Oh my gosh. There you go. Another bobby pin. It's not gonna look like that, y'all. Let it cool down some, but in a meantime, yeah, I really couldn't get this slick down like I wanted to. So that's what bobby pins are for. It's a messy look. It's supposed to be messy. Don't be too hard on yourself, okay? I have little clips that I'm about to add to this too. I'm gonna take some of my powder foundation and I'm gonna just put some powder. Oh, put some powder right here. All on basically just a little parts of the lace. Mainly like the perimeter. And especially because I didn't do any plucking. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. That's why I'm like putting it on like weird, like holding it like this. So y'all can see where I'm putting it and how I'm putting it on here. This side here look like a little crunchy and hard and still because I put freeze blast on there. As I said, I think I mentioned that already. But yeah, I put a freeze blast on there, but it's nothing to just take some water and just brush it through. But this is a messy bun, so nothing really has to be neat. And I'm gonna put some right here too though. I think I only bought one thing of them, one pair of them. To get these from like your Evawigs house and stuff. They be super cheap. And you can just decorate it however you want to decorate it. Instead of using bobby pins, if you don't want to use bobby pins. I'm trying to see where I want to put these at. On this side or this side? I think this side. I always turn this way, I notice. I'm going to put both of them right here. I'm going to just see how they look first. Yeah. I could do that. I never wear clips in my hair, but these ones are so freaking cute. Do they look awkward right there? Get a pair of glasses for y'all to really see this. If I have my nails done, my nails aren't done. That's the thing. If I have my nails done, it'll be a wrap. It'll be a wrap. But I need some earrings too now. I'm gonna over accessorize because this don't even go with this. This is pretty much the finished look. This is how I like to do my messy buns with my wigs. I never did one with a bang before. This is new to me, but usually my head can't fit these things like that, so I never really wear these type of things. Like, it don't fit around my head, as y'all can see. It just don't. It just don't. But it's all good though. Okay, this is not exactly how I would put it on though, but like, I'm just giving y'all like a little situation that you could do with these messy buns. Like, they be looking really cute like this. Do it like this. It's just really nice. Without the clips though. Without the clips, ignore the clips. But with any color that you're wearing, like, this will look really nice with it. To me, it looks good. So yeah, you can wear it like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this. Leave me other video suggestions in the comments below or DM me on Snapchat, Instagram. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media at Blaken and my Snapchat, well, Instagram at Blaken and my Snapchat at ASTLEYJ. See, I don't have a Twitter anymore, but I still have it in my intro, and I think I still have it on my outro too. But I haven't had a Twitter in months, probably even like a year now. Like, I haven't had a Twitter in forever. I don't know why it's still on my intro. I never really got into Twitter, so never really used it when I had it. But yeah, that's that. I need a new intro. And a new outro too. Okay, yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.